If your neighbor's fancy tabby looks exotic, you're in for a wild ride. These cats are so rare, most people have never even heard of them. Ready to meet the feline elite? First up, the Lycoi, also known as the werewolf cat. Seriously, it looks like a little werewolf and is super hard to find. Next, the Sokoki. This African beauty has a wild tree bark pattern, and there are barely a handful outside Kenya. Ever heard of the Serengeti? It's like a mini leopard, but it's all house cat, with crazy long legs and huge ears.